Welcome to our full guide on using the ChatGPT API key. Today, we'll explore everything you need to know. First, let's find out how to obtain your API key from OpenAI. It's a straightforward process. Next, we need to set up your development environment for seamless API usage. Now, let's make our first API call. Follow along as I guide you step by step. Understanding how to handle API responses and errors is crucial for effective usage. Let's dive into some best practices to ensure you're utilizing the ChatGPT API effectively. Chatbots, content generation, and more. We'll explore various use cases for the ChatGPT API. Security is paramount when using your API key. Let's talk about some essential considerations. If you encounter issues, don't worry. I'll guide you through some common problems and solutions. In conclusion, the possibilities with the ChatGPT API are extensive. The future looks bright.